Hello, welcome guys. Today I'm going to speak about a Surface Duo. This just got arrived yesterday in Singapore and I'm so excited to open it now. Okay, I'm going to unbox it now right away. Let's see how it goes. Let me open up. So I'm very excited guys. This is my real unboxing. Okay, not a fake one. You can see. So it comes with a Surface Duo one, and I'm going to open up. Whoa! See how it feels? It's really nice, and it comes up with a wrapper here. And see, let's see what comes it along with the box. Let me put it down here. This is the box. And there is a bumper, Surface Duo bumper. It comes along with the Surface when you buy, and some instruction maybe. There is a USB cable which comes along with the box. Type C, and see here, Type C cable for charging, and a charger. You can see a charger here. Hopefully it is a quick charger with, okay, let me put it down here. Oh, the charger is very lightweight. It's nice and feels premium quality. And you have a Type C, you can charge it with this pin. Looks good. And this is the bumper. I'll just quickly show what is there in the bumper. Let me open it. Okay, so looks a bit weird, but you have instruction as well. Number 1, 2. Looks like it looks to be stick into the Surface Duo, and it is not really kind of a casing. Maybe 1 or 2 usage it might come in. You cannot be taking it on and off often. Okay, so these are the things I should look into. There is something which is inside as well, apart from the manual. I'm going to just unbox it. Yes, looks like a SIM pin which you can open up the surface for the SIM holder or the SIM. You can see. Yeah, that's it. So you can see these are the parts which I'm going to review it later, or you can see here these are the parts from the Surface Duo which comes along with the box. Let me play with this now and see how it feels. Yes, I'm going to open this Surface Duo now. You guys excited? Yes, I am too. Let me open it. Wow. Let's see here what it has. You should just open this. The paper is just folding like a sticker. Yes. See guys, what I have got now. This is the Surface Duo, and really it feels very premium. And the way the hinge they have done it, it's really good, solid. The device looks very premium from outside, and to hold it, it doesn't look like a wobbly, or it's sturdy. See here, when I just move the hinges, it stays there. There is no wobble. Looks very damn premium. The outside is a glass. You can see it's a glass material. And to speak about the spec, you can see the hinge here. You can do a 360 degree of a Surface Duo, and it has got only one camera. You can see here it's just one camera here, and there is a flash as well along the side, and the speaker is there. You can see here. And speaking more about the spec, the display is kind of 5.6 inch AMOLED, which is a pixel sense, on both sides, 2 screens, and there is a battery on both the side as well. So when you charge it, it synchronizes the charging, and it's like, ooh, feels good. So when I first time have it, it feels like I want to do it often. It's a mechanical hinge. This mechanical hinge is completely kind of synchronized and looks very premium. See here, the thinness, it is just 4.8 millimeter thinness, just 4.8 millimeter. And if you fold, it just ultimately ultra thin, so thin. Okay, maybe I take out my iPhone and compare it with the thickness, just with the, this is with the casing, iPhone 11. This is iPhone 11 with the casing. Maybe I remove the casing for my iPhone. You can see my screen. You can compare the thinness here. Okay, if you want to. So this is iPhone 11 and this is after closing even. So when you open it, you will see it. It's ultra thin, damn thin. And Microsoft has mastered in the display in such a way that the Gorilla Glass is around 0.4 millimeter thickness. So excluding the Gorilla Glass and the basement, they have a very thin spacing to complete all the components within. So it looks damn premium as well. And apart from that, you have a volume up and down button. You can see volume up and down button, and you have a power button here, and there is a fingerprint sensor here. And there is also a SIM card slot, so you can put in a SIM card slot here. You have a pin already, you can put in a SIM card slot. And Surface Duo comes with Android 10, so now it loads an Android 10 within. But most of the apps which comes with the Microsoft is already been optimized for running in both screen, primarily for a productivity device for people. I don't say it is for all the consumers. Probably it is for the person who is looking more of productive, which they can use it as a secondary device maybe. There is no NFC in this, and it doesn't come with 5G, and the spec is with Snapdragon 855, which is kind of a year-old processor, but it's fine. Let's see how it runs in Android. It doesn't matter about the spec, but depends on how quality of the apps run in. And finally, to speak about, there are several modes to operate this device. Microsoft has their own mode of using it. First one is like book mode. I like this mode. This is called the book mode. You start to see both the content in just like a book, and then you can just move on. And the second mode is about the tent mode. You can just put the device here and you can watch your videos. So when you put it in the tent mode, the other screen will go blank and only you can see here. So software is optimized. And the third mode is kind of looking for a camera. Okay, single screen mode. You completely 360-degree move your device, it becomes a single screen mode. It's like a phone. You just use it for like a mobile. This is the third mode. And there is one other mode, which is the compose mode. If you see here, you can start composing email and other stuff like a laptop, then it's called a compose mode. There is one other mode which sometimes you see something goes weird in this, there is no notification at all outside. And you don't know what is the notification comes in. So that's why they call the peak mode. So I'm just sneaking in, peak mode. Okay. So these are the modes you can operate your Surface Duo in, and I'm so excited to boot up. Okay. And finally, you can see here the Type-C. The display is as thin as the Type-C. You can see here it's so thin, and the premium glass material. And finally, I want to show you how to take a picture. It's weird. Microsoft is kind of setting up a standard maybe for a dual screen. There is only one camera. How do you take a picture or a selfie? So if you want to take a selfie, this is the camera mode maybe. And if you want to take a picture or a video of a backside of it, just flip it. So it's a bit kind of a weird, but that's how it works. Selfie mode, other mode. Selfie mode, back mode. So that's how you work. Okay, so that's how the device works in. I'm so excited to boot up and play with it. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. More to come. This is not a phone, you should not call it as a phone. It is not a phone, it is not a laptop, or it is not a tablet. It's a surface duo.